Put on a little bit of blush, and this is again Marc Jacobs. The color is Miss Scarlet. Another red. Again, I was looking for nudes and reds. And this is a matte lipstick. Marc Jacobs lipsticks are so soft and creamy with a chapstick. So the other ones were lip stains. So this one has a little bit of a moisturizer in it. Change my eyeshadow again so you guys can see it with like a red. I kind of want to see it with a red eyeshadow, so we'll go with C2. And this is a matte. It's like a matte red. These colors blend really well, blending and adding it on to the other color, they still pop. I just wanna dance.